Seamen from 3 ships test negative. First batch of 66 will reach Goa on Sunday. The rest will disembark on the same day, waiting for standard operating procedure to get students, workers from foreign countries back, says CM. India has 24,000 COVID-19 cases as of Saturday. National Centre for Disease Control said that the recovery rate is 20.52%. Congress demands that national games be postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic and subsequent lockdown. Will institute inquiry, says MPDA Chief Clefacio on Vasco crematorium issue, says not aware till news reports surfaced. Hello and welcome. I am Brian Sequeira. Now the news in detail. The centre on Friday late evening issued an order allowing all non-essential shops to open, with the exception of malls, markets and liquor shops or parlours. Epidemic Act in force in Goa, says Chief Minister Pramod Sawant. Shops can open with 50% workers and all have to wear masks and observe social distancing.
All need to know what's open until the lockdown and what's not. The remaining decision on extension and relief on closed services will be taken on 3rd of May or post-lockdown. Know what is open. Shops, groceries, government offices, pharmacies, essential services, non-essential services, KTC buses, etc. What is closed is theatres, malls, rail, air and bus transport and transit, public swimming pools, casinos, salon and spa, clubs, pubs and restaurants and more. Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365.
Have written about students, workers in foreign countries to PM, and we are waiting for standard operating procedure to get them back, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant said on Saturday. Also 66 seamen will be coming home by Sunday and others are likely to disembark by Sunday. The test reports of the seamen in Mumbai are out. All are found negative for COVID-19. The Goa Seamen Association wants them to be brought back to Goa immediately. The association is also confused about paid and free quarantine facilities and wants some details.
The Seafarers Association held a press meet on Saturday in Margao, raising their questions and progress over the seafarers issue. They have demanded to the government that the government should come out clear on the issues and also why the government's delaying to take a call and to get back the seafarers to Goa. Watch their arguments and demands.
Yesterday's Chief Minister report, State Executive Committee, it says that all the seafarers will be put into a paid quarantine. So government must come very clear what is paid quarantine and what is a free quarantine by the government. It's not only about the seafarers. Tomorrow the people from Gulf will come, people from UK will come. Will you treat everybody in the same thing? So better they need to come with a good policy. As Wendy said, you need to have a task team for this to come clear. Now I read also on today's newspaper that Health Minister said when the ships come here, they will do the test and the seafarers will stay on board for 24 hours until the test reports are come. So this thing you need to communicate with the ships which are already on the way, because the ships have a schedule. They will dock in the morning, disembark the people, they will go to the next port. If this is the case, they need to communicate to the companies already, Baba, you make sure your ship will be staying there for 2 days. So we will do the test, then only we will get our seafarers on the land. So there is no communication. Again, we are asking our Goa government, please be very serious. You have already lost time. There is no sympathy about it. The government have not done anything new. That they are 2 months already in quarantine on the vessel. Now the ships are already on the way to India. So please, before they come, you need to have a plan properly so that there is a smooth transfer. Because after all these videos from this Mumbai, all the seafarers, our minds are very much confused. They are wondering if this is going to be the paid quarantine like this, why we should pay them. So we urge again the government, kindly come very clear on this policy about what is paid quarantine and which are the hotel, what are the prices, who will pay, is the company already is notified to pay, or again they will be held up like this. So this is the question. We have been listening to all the situation which is happening day by day. Now the Karnika boys are still on board. Angria boys still on board. The order has been passed. The government must act immediately in a professional manner. Whatever has happened few days ago, it is not acceptable. They are on the land, but they should be home by now. Whereas the larger question of all the seafarers around the world still remains the same. How long? Almost 2 months. You have listened to the wife of a seafarer who is bedridden and pregnant. I kindly urge the government not to wait for 3rd of May. They say 3rd of May the government will take a decision. What if the government doesn't take a decision after 3rd of May?
I want to clarify when our seafarers are going to come back, because my husband has been struggling towards that at least for last 2 months and have been quarantined, and so we know what we are going through. And it is a very tough situation to understand also. The meal is not proper, there is no proper water. So we know what we are going through also. I'm also pregnant, I'm also bedridden. And I cannot do anything. So I also spoke to CM also, and he told me, we are trying our best to get the seafarers, but it's almost 2 months now. Nothing is being done. I'm just listening to all the stories and videos. But there is no clarified, there is nothing yet now. I don't know how long I have to wait. I am just requesting CM to take an immediate action, a very immediate action, because there are so many families are there, and we all are disturbed, upset. I don't know what to say. So please, CM, I'm requesting CM to take this to help us and get this seafarers issues be done immediately.
Please be very prompt. आज जाते तीच गोष्ट फाल जावपा ना. Today is Saturday. As we talk, please check records. There is nobody in the secretariat today related to shipping. Okay, Mr. Reddy, who is I think the port secretary, no CS for ports, he's not in the office today. He's not working today. Our nodal officer, he's not working today. Why? कित्या काम करणे काम ना. So this is the sad story. Oloil Mutri, but why we are talking this is because we feel bad. काम aha nahi. Today there is work, so you could have coordinated with JM Bakshi agent Jawahat Angelo and give them what they want and close this deal of bringing the boys, and the boys could come out today. This is what the CM has to do. Close this today. They are ready. E-passes are ready. Transit passes can be made ready today. This is what I have got information through the agents. So they can do this. Negative test has been done. They have received all negative tests. E-passes are online. Is a matter of 1 hour or 2 hours. Transit pass can be arranged. I am ready to get the Goan boys out by buses tonight. I spoke to JM Bakshi. He's told me this. So the Goa government, if they are ready, so the ball is decide. Solve this issue out. What is this paid quarantine? 27 lakhs marked there. Solve it out. Let the boys leave today.
Our reporter Sandeep Tuekar in Margao for Goa 365.
India has 24,000 COVID-19 cases as of Saturday, and the National Center for Disease Control said that recovery rate in India is 20.52%. The center also said that the good news is that the lockdown decision was timely and had helped flatten the virus curve. And the doubling rate has decreased from 5.2 days to 10 days during the 4 weeks of lockdown.
NCDC reports say during the first week of lockdown, the doubling time was 5.2 days. After the second week, it surged to 4.2 days. Later, it improved to 6 days in the third week, and in the fourth week, it was reduced to 8.6 days. On Saturday, it was decreased to 10 days. As many as 15 districts haven't reported any fresh cases since last 28 days. Meanwhile, Dr. V.K. Paul, member of Niti Aayog, said The number of cases would have been around 1 lakh if lockdown would not have been imposed. India has reported 24,506 corona cases, with more than 700 deaths are reported and more than 5,000 have recovered. Situation across the world is still grim. More than 28 lakh cases are reported. Death toll has crossed more than 1.97 lakh, while 7.89 lakh patients have recovered.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. National Games are scheduled to begin in Goa from November 2020, but on Friday, the Congress demanded that National Games be postponed due to problems faced due to COVID-19 pandemic and the subsequent lockdown. Going ahead with National Games will be a risk they felt. Here's more on this.
The much delayed 36th National Games will be staged in Goa from the October 20th to November 4, 2020. This national event will see participation of nearly 36 states and union territories with more than 12,000 athletes and other officials. National Games in Goa is hosting 37 different sports at 24 venues across Goa. But the senior leader, Ravi Naik from Congress, on Saturday said that the upcoming national event, the National Games, should be postponed due to the ongoing pandemic crisis of COVID-19 coronavirus. Watch to what he has to say.
नॅशनलात गेले की कितें कितें करपाचें आसा हें सगळें बंद दवरचें न्ही कित्याक IPL हें पोस्टपोन जालें आनी दुसरें आनी तिसरें आहा तें ऑलिंपिकूय बी पोस्टपोन जालें आमी वाचून उरलें जाल्यार हें फुडलें आतां पयलीं वाचून उरपाक जाय.
Our reporter Krishna Naik in Ponda.
Lots of workers of fishing trawlers have come into the state to work on the boats. There has been some controversy on this issue too. And now authorities are trying to create awareness among them on safety precautions. Watch.
कोरोना संक्रमण आपको मालूम है वो नज़दीक आने से मतलब एक दूसरे से अगर खांसी आ गई आप लोगों को तो आपका मुंह से जो कीटाणु आते हैं वो दूसरों को लगते हैं. इसके लिए ये लॉकडाउन पूरा किया हुआ है और 1-1 मीटर का फासला रखते हुए आपको काम करना है. अपने हाथ साबुन से और पानी से एक 20 सेकंड तक धोना है. ये आपको करके दिखाएगा कैसे धोना है.
साबुन डालने के बाद आपको अपने हाथों को साबुन से रगड़ना है. ठीक है.
आपको अगर खांसी या सांस लेने में दिक्कत है तो डॉक्टर के इलाज की आपको भेजा जाएगा. किसी को तकलीफ है क्या? सांस लेने में तकलीफ है? कुछ खांसी बीसी कुछ आ रहे है? नहीं, ठीक है. अगर है तो हमको बता देना, हमको सांस लेने में तकलीफ है. ऐसा नहीं तो आपका सेठ रहेगा उसको बता देना. ठीक है. हाँ. और आप लोग बाहर जाते हैं मच्छी पकड़ने के लिए, कोई भी आदमी जो कर्नाटका में या महाराष्ट्र में बोट पे नहीं लेना है, उनके संपर्क में नहीं आना है. उनको अगर बीमारी है तो यहाँ पूरा गोवा में आ जाएगा वो बीमारी. आप उनके संपर्क में आएगा तो यहाँ भी फैल जाएगा. वो फैलने से बीमारी आ जाती है. ठीक है. समझ में आया? काम करते वक्त 1-1 मीटर की दूरी खाना खाते वक्त 1-1 मीटर की दूरी से आप खाना खा सकते हैं। ये 3 तारीख तक, मई के 3 तारीख तक लॉकडाउन किया हुआ है। कोई भी आपके बोर्ड पे नहीं आएगा। समझ में आया? तांडेल, खास करके तांडेल, कोई दूसरा आदमी आपके बोर्ड पे नहीं आएगा। आप लोग भी दूसरे बोर्ड पे नहीं जाएंगे।
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Mormugaon PDA Chairman Cleophas Dias on Saturday said that he would inquire into the zone change of land which was earmarked for a crematorium. He said that no one proposed the matter nor discussed the issue during the meeting. Here are the details.
Cleophas, speaking to Guard 65, said that he was unaware of the zone change of the Vasco crematorium till news appeared. Dias expressed shock over the issue and said that it was only after he checked the files that he realized the matter was put in the minutes without his knowledge. Dias also assured all Vascocas that he will send a correction file to the government and a TCP department and get the mistake rectified, and assured all Vascocas that the area would be again converted to crematorium zone.
एक खबर आयली, बातमी आयली म्हाका की हिंदू क्रेटेरियम जे वास्को आसलोली ते एग्रीकल्चर झोन म्हूण दाखयलें म्हूण हेजेर, आनी हांवें ते पळोवन हांव वेनिसडे ऑफिसा वचून हांवें इन्क्वायरी केली. हांवें तेजे खरें ते मिनिट्साचेर बरयलो आसा ओडीपीन धाडा तो एग्रीकल्चर झोन म्हूण. सो हांव सरप्रायज जालो. हे आमगेले मिटींग आमगे लास्ट डिसेंबरा 18 मिटींग जाली, त्याच मागीर तो प्रोपोजल कोणी मेन्शन केलो ना, खंयच्या मेंबरान प्रोपोज केलो ना, कोणी एप्लिकेशन दिलें ना. हांवें आपयलें सगळ्यांक MSA बीन. सो ते म्हणटा आमी केलें ना. ते मार्कुसा ते टेक्निशियन तांकां आपयलें, ते म्हणटा आपलें खबर ना. सो मागीर चोयल्यार ती सायन आमगे ती पयलींची एक्स ती वर्टिका ती MSA मारगांव ट्रान्सफर जाला तेन सायन मारलो आसा. सो हांव हेजी आतां इन्क्वायरी मागला, इन्क्वायरी हांव कोतलो, पूण प्रॉब्लेम म्हळ्यार देशांत प्रॉब्लेम कांय ना सांगपाक म्हळ्यार. सो ऑलरेडी ODP आमी परत मागल्या करेक्शनां करपाक, आनी ताका व्हॅल्यू आतां कांय ना. सो हांव तेजे एज ए चेअरमॅन ऑफ मोर्मुगांव PDA हांव सांगूंक सोदतां ते पळय हिंदू क्रेटर तेंच्या मेन्शन करून धाडटलो आतां. सो हे हांवें ऑलरेडी आतां मिटींग घेतलो, हे कोरोना व्हायरस ताका लागून सगळे हेडार जालो आसा. आफ्टर डॅट हांव मिटींग कॉल करून हांव तें प्रपोज करतलो, आनी दिवपाक कांय गरज ना. हांव सगळ्या वास्कोकारांक सांगूंक सोदिता नथींग टू वरी अबावट दॅट लँड, आनी जी हिंदू क्रेटर मात तीच मेळटली लोकांक हें हांव सांगूंक सोदतां. आनी जे कोण ही नाटकां केलें, जे चेंज केलां विदावट माय नॉलेज आनी विदावट टेकिंग रेजोल्युशन फॉर मिटींग, हांव तेजी इन्क्वायरी करतलो. हें हांव उतर दितां.
I reporter Irumale from Vasco.
The pre-monsoon works have commenced in most parts of Goa. However, some questions are raised over these works in Madgaon.
Margaon Municipal Council has taken desilting work of drains at New Market, Margaon. Margaon Shadow Council has raised eyebrows over the pre-monsoon works undertaken by Margaon Municipal Council. Shadow Council alleged MMC has undertaken desilting of drains at cost of ₹25 lakhs. But government has granted permission to utilize only 15 lakhs from the Finance Commission grants for these works.
BMN जावं गव्हर्मेंटान मारगांव म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिलाक जे फायनान्स कमिशनाचे ग्रांट्स आसा तातूंतल्यान 15 lakhs यूज करपाचें परमिशन दिल्लें आसा, आनी त्या परमिशना मार्फत तांकां सांगिल्लें आसा की जे अनएम्प्लॉयड वर्कर्स जे आसा ड्यू टू दीस लॉकडावन तांची सर्विसीस घेवची आनीक काम करचें म्हण. आतां म्युनिसिपालिटीन एक डिसिजन घेतिल्लें आसा की 15 लाख ते फायनान्स कमिशन ग्रांट्सांतले आनी 10 लाख म्युनिसिपालिटी फंडांतल्यान टोटल 25 लॅक्साचे हो टेंडर काडपाक. आतां टेंडर म्हळ्यार कितें तें सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. हितून सामकें तांचें वेस्टेड इंट्रस्ट आसा म्हूण सामको 100% आमी चार्ज करपाक शकता. आनी फाटलीं 4 वर्सां तुमी पळयलें जाल्यार हें डिसिल्टिंग वर्काचें जे टेंडर केल्लें आसा ती पावसा पयलीं केन्नाच सुरू जावना. आमची डिमांड आसा की जे शेल्टरान वर्कर्स आसा तांकां 400तले इवन 50-60 सपोज वर्कर सिलेक्ट केले बरे आसा ते जे फिट आसा ते जाल्यार हें इमिजिएटली काम सुरू करपाक मेळटलें.
Our reporter Sandeep Tuekar from Margaon.
On Saturday, North Goa Magistrate issued an order to close Atal Setu and divert vehicular traffic on the Ponda side arm of Atal Setu for a period of 4 weeks with immediate effect.
The bridge would be closed to shift civil work to be undertaken at the left-hand side of approach ramp located between Merces Circle and KTC Circle for the traffic proceeding from Margaon to Mapsa.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa365 TV and subscribe our YouTube channel Goa365 TV. Or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.